What happened, Christian?
Yeah, this fucking bolt got loose. Like the brakes went apart a little bit, and
Where are you going, sir?
brake is shaking like this. Fucking dirty again. Don't want to touch myself, man.
I can touch you, Christian.
You can touch me always. Right now, I want to fix my bike. Yeah, the nut is missing. Yes, it's missing. Oh no, difference. Ay, yup, yeah, I basically came from a party and went on this trip, so whatever.
There's a pathway here.
I will follow the path there, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Okay, thank you, brother. Have a nice day.
Mushrooms.
Yes, you know mushroom?
Yes.
Local mushroom.
Here.
This one, the right one. You see blue?
Yeah, okay.
This one, the right one. Yes. Christian Bell, the mushroom hunter. I think if you spend like a whole day on a field like this with two persons, bro, you can find so many. You can find fucking big bag. Look, they're growing everywhere here. You don't even need to take the old ones, you know. We can just take the young fresh ones because there's so many. I think we're gonna need a bigger bag, bro. Yeah, that's the right one. I'm 100% sure. My bag.
How are you doing, Mr. Cow?
This one is cubensis. Looks like from the textbook. I swear to God. Look, it's a perfect mushroom. Just opened his cap. Probably this morning. The spores didn't fall out yet. It's like the perfect exact time to pick them. Look how perfect they look. Bro, there's a fucking huge storm coming. I think we should fuck off, bro. Doesn't look too good and we want to drive to the next city today, so maybe we should go and skip fishing. Oh, I caught something. Sell it for dinner. Normally big fish should be like waiting under the dock, you know. Yeah, but nothing showed up. Give it a few more tries and then we have to fuck off, man. Look, this storm front doesn't look good at all. This one, same. So yeah, but yeah, few more casts and then we gotta go. Need to go fishing somewhere else. We need to, yeah, I don't want to end up in the storm here. I'm not gonna get anything dry if we, you know, if stuff gets wet here, you're fucked because it's raining season. Everything is wet all day. Ist los? Nice, bro.
There's a storm. There's a storm. There's a storm. And Christian have a storm in the fucking pants. Bro.
Yeah, I think that's okay, but I need to clean my, whatever it's called, carburetor, I think. I think there's dirt inside. That should work for today.
Christian, where are we going now?
Yeah, so we're gonna pack our fucking shit now. Strap it on the bikes. I adjusted my carburetor on the bike, as you maybe saw, but it's still not going good. I'm pretty sure there's dirt inside because yesterday we had to cross some rivers and I got water in the engine and everything. So the carburetor needs cleaning, I'm quite sure. But I don't have any tools. So we gotta need to find a mechanic again, like basically every fucking day. But whatever. But yeah, we're gonna go to Puerto Princesa today because in Puerto Princesa is a ferry going to Iloilo City. And yeah, we don't really find reliable information online which dates they are going. So we just have to show up and ask. Bro, the weather is fucking shit, I have to say, the last days. Also, that's the reason why we didn't film too much, like the last week. Basically nothing, because yeah, it was just fucking raining all the time. Also, why I flooded my engine is because all the rivers were way too high. Normally it's no problem to drive through them, but now there's a lot of water. So yeah, but whatever, we don't really care about bad weather. We have fun, whatever we do, even if it's raining. Yeah, but now we're gonna go to Puerto, see what's going on. My dirty fucking red shoes, they're completely red yesterday. Sure, they didn't dry overnight, so now I have to wear red shoes, but whatever. $90 for the small one, you said?
These pieces.
Oh, okay, yeah, then I buy in the city. Because in the city I buy like this for 1,200.
Okay, sir. So
Yeah, we're taking a break. Gonna eat some instant noodles. I actually fucking love them. Ben, not too much, but yeah, it's cheap and good. So you take one as well? Okay, we get 2 beef instant noodles. And I want, you have Sprite? Yes, I take one, huh? Thank you. Oh. Ich kaputt gemacht. Ah, wrong side, okay.
Ich filme sie einfach, Digga. Ich glaube, das juckt die gar nicht hier.
Ayun. Kaya siguro dyan, try kaya sa tindahan dyan.
Ich schmier das immer an die Socken, weil die Socken forschen jeden Tag und keiner sieht die.
Ja, Bro, ist scheißegal. Ich habe immer so gemacht oder so in die Beine.
Ja, Digga.
Bro, hast du meine Haare mal gesehen? Alles rein, ist richtig geil.
Yeah, I don't know, I'm nearly out of petrol, I'm not sure. It's like 30 kilometers left. I think it would be enough, like the petrol I have left, but last time we both got stuck on the road with no petrol, and yeah, that was quite shitty. So we're not gonna risk it again, we're just gonna put petrol in. It's just fucking annoying because I have the backpack here. I need to get everything off to reach the tank. But yeah, what you gotta do, eh? Yeah, we arrived in Puerto Princesa. It was fucking raining a lot all fucking day, but yeah, it's okay. We had the plastic on the backpacks, but yeah, my accelerator is stuck like on midway, so we need to fix the fucking bike again tomorrow. But whatever, now we're gonna fucking try to dry our shoes and get some food because I'm fucking hungry, and then we see what we're gonna do.
What the fuck, bro?
Problem with waterproof shoes is if water gets in, it doesn't get out. So you're kind of fucked. And it's raining every fucking day. Can't really get them dry. They're fucking dirty. So I'm gonna try now with the hairdryer. Yeah, and also they got a little bit smelly. That's a problem as well. But what can I do? I hope they gonna work. Yeah, it's time for a fucking shower now. I need a new shirt and yeah, I just don't feel clean, so I'm gonna take a shower. Yeah, bro, you can tell I'm a real gypsy, yeah? Think I'm not German, I'm a gypsy.
Digga, ehrlich gesagt, vielleicht habe ich Bock auf so eine Jam-Runde, Digga.
Was wollen wir denn hier die ganze Zeit rumsitzen?